Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, I'm back with another unboxing video for you. So I just received my Don't Fight the Feeling long play album, or LP. I don't have a player, but yeah, this is like a rare merchandise from Don't Fight the Feeling, so I had to get one. It's like this similar thing with CBX Girls. This actually isn't a long play, because if you've seen my unboxing of this, it's not, it's just a CD that is put in a I don't know what it's called, it's a carton, I think, right? So this one I can play in a CD player or on, yeah, any CD player. So this one happens to be like a long play, like a disc that was like a vintage, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so it's got like 5 songs. Oh, okay, so it's just 5 songs with so side A, I guess on the front side we have 3 songs, and then when you flip it over, yes, actually you can flip the LP apparently, and yeah, you can play the Runway and Just As Usual. So let's go. I'm really excited. I've seen some people opening theirs, but it's just exciting to open one myself. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, so the box looks like this, right? And I believe there's like posters in here. So let's go. Oh my god, we start with Kyungsu. Come on. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so this is like their jewel case poster, I guess. And right, so it's like, I guess 10 by 10 or something, or 9 by 9 inch. I have no idea. And then it's just a plain white background. So yeah, I think this is like their shots for the jewel case pre-order benefit posters. So we have Baekhyun, and then we have Chanyeol. Yeah, it's the same shot as their jewel case. So Minsuk, Shumin, and then Kai. Very nice. And then Sehun. And then yes, we have Lay. And then yes, we have a OT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, OT 6. Oh, okay, so there's still a photo book. Oh, so, oh my god, I haven't seen this photo before. Oh, at least, you know, they've reserved some photos for the LP. Oh, nice. This is Beck. Oh my god, he's so cute. His eyes are so big. Oh my god. This one I think is from one of his postcards, if I'm not mistaken. Or is it the folded poster? Yeah, I think I've seen this before, or at least another angle. Oh my god, I love this photo. Oh my god. Ah, Shumin. So cute. And then we have Kai. Okay, and then we have this Don't Fight the Feeling poster, the photo book to pre-order benefit, right? And then we have the songs, the track list, and the credits. So I guess this is lyrics as well. So cool. And then yeah, track list, and then this is the LP. Okay, let me just, oh my god, so pretty. It's white, not quite transparent, but oh, it reminds me of Saturn for some reason. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm so happy I bought one, because I don't know if they will have another one of this, maybe next comeback. Yeah, because they're into digipacks now. Yeah, I wish they would bring back the Kinos, but I don't know. Anyways, I will do a Kino video very soon, so watch out for it. So this is it for the long play, or the Don't Fight the Feeling LP album. Okay, for this vlog I also will show you some of the Don't Fight the Feeling merchandise that I did buy. I did not buy everything, unfortunately, because I was concentrating on the albums. So yeah, these are all that I have aside from this. Right, so okay, for the AirPod cases, you know, note of the wise, if there's like a comeback, also buy the merchandise, because they're in limited quality, and during pre-orders the prices are not so expensive. I mean, they are, but after pre-order and then you try to find stocks of it, there's hardly one. This one I bought for like 3 times the pre-order price. So yeah, don't be like me. And I can't find Chanyeol's anymore, but I was still pretty lucky to find Dios. I've had to buy this overseas, like from the US, and yeah, so that's why it costs 3 times more, because of the shipping. But yeah, AirPod case looks like this. Yeah, it's just literally like you can just put your AirPods in there. Yeah, but so far I haven't used it. Yeah, I'm not really big on putting buds in, and yeah. So anyway, I put the photo card in the sleeves. So the back looks like this, and this is Dio. Okay, and then yes, okay, so this one is the XR Gallery photo cards. Right, so the only set I've gotten would be the Pierce set. So it came in this packet, and I put it in sleeves, but yeah, they had no sleeves. They just came in 6 pieces like this. And so we start with Schubeck here, very cute, and the back looks like this, right? And so another one of Schubeck and lockers. Okay, and right, and then for Chansu, my favorite, yeah, these is very rare since I'm a shipper, so I need these in my life. So yeah, it's the same back. And yeah, so for Sekai, here they are, very cute. This is like the POB poster, I believe, right? And the back. Okay, and then they have like individual photo cards from the XR gallery as well. No, I wasn't able to secure all of the members. I would have wanted to, but I was very happy to get Chansu at least. And yeah, this is what they look like. And yes, they are quite expensive. And yeah, so here you go. So same background as the pairs ones. Okay, and then aside from that, okay, so this is like the magnet. I couldn't find Dios anymore because I bought this quite late. I think out of all of the merch, this is like the last one I was able to find. And it's got a photo card apparently. So yeah, the magnet, you can detach this part and then this part, but I think I'm gonna keep it like this because the entire back is a magnet. So yeah, and the photo card is here, so it's the same photo as the magnet, right? Okay, and okay, this one I have had for like a couple months now, but I haven't opened this yet. Okay, so this ones are the paper frames. So I got Chansu's, and it's got paper frame is accompanied with holo photo cards. So I got Chansu's naturally. And the back looks like this. Alright, and yeah, I think you can fold these paper frames, but yeah, if you know me at all, I'm just gonna keep them like this and store them like postcards. Okay, and then yeah, so we move on now to this is a postcard book. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. I hope they're laid, but let's see. Okay, so this one is, oh, I guess you can detach them one by one. It's actually pretty hard and pretty thick in paper. And we have Shum in here. Don't fight. Oh, Baekhyun. Look at that. He's so cute. Chanyeol. Oh my god. How pretty. Okay, and oh, Kyungsu. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. And then we have Kai. Oh my god. So cute. Oh no. Yeah, it sounds just yeah, I kind of forget he's the magnet because he's so sexy sometimes. Well, not sometimes, all the time. Oh my god. Speaking of magnet, look at this baby. Oh my god, I can't get over it. It's so cute. He's so cute. I can't. Hi, Beck. Oh my god. Look at him. Oh my god. Tanya. Oh, this postcard book is so worth getting. I'm serious. The photos are so nice. Oh my god. Hi Kyungsu. Look at his skin. Come on. Wow. Very, you know, like a sunset glow thing going on with Kai. This would, oh. Someone's been pulling reactions from me like, Oh, I love, oh, this kind of emphasizes his bicep for some reason. Very sexy. This would have been perfect if Lei was also here. Oh, Kyungsu. Oh, they're so cute. All of them. Wow. Can you see? Oh my god. So cute. Like it. Oh wow. And that's it, right? Yeah. So this contains like 13. Yeah, about 13 postcards. Yeah, 2 per each member. Wow, I really love this. And that is it for this unboxing. So if you like to suggest anything that you would like me to unbox next and I have them on hand, let me know, and I will schedule them for you if I have them on hand. And anyway guys, Christmas is around the corner, so I hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, and staying happy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.